Hello everybody, my name is Ben and today we've got a really special story for you. This is called Billy Goat's Gruff. Now if you've made one of our special goat wands at home, now's the perfect time to go and get it out because we can use them during the story and you can play along with us, okay? Alright, is everybody sitting comfortably? I am? Okay, good. Let's go. 3 billy goats were standing around, scraping their hooves on the dusty ground. Over that bridge the grass looks green, yes, the sweetest grass I've ever seen. Not that bridge, squeaked the littlest one, the troll will eat us before we run. Under the bridge the troll was so hungry, and his aching tongue was making him angry. The next thing crossing this bridge is mine, then he sang to himself to pass the time. I'm a troll, fol-de-roll, I'll eat you for my supper. It was Big Billy Goat who came up with the plan. We can trick that troll, I know we can. We must all be brave and face our fears. And he whispered the plan into their ears. Onto the bridge trip-trapped little Billy, trying not to show he was scared silly. Closing his eyes, he thought of the others. I can be as brave as my big brothers. And sure enough, it wasn't long till Troll was there with his chilling song. I'm a troll, fol-de-roll, I'll eat you for my supper. Oh, don't eat me, I'm just bone and gristle. You'll get more calories chewing a thistle. My brother's behind, he's plumper than me. He'll make a proper tasty tea. It's true you're thin. All right, buzz off, be gone. I'll wait for your brother, the fatter one. So little Billy gave the troll the slip and hurried across the bridge. Trip, trap, trip. Now the middle-sized Billy was next in line. Just stick to the plan and you'll be fine. But how he shook when he saw the beast, more than ready for his promised feast. There stood the troll none too soon, belting out his creepy tune. I'm a troll, fol-de-roll, I'll eat you for my supper. Oh, I know I'm bigger than my baby brother, but Big Billy Goat is like no other. He's fat and juicy and covered in flesh, 'cause he always eats the grass that's fresh. He's right behind me. He's a real treat, the juiciest meal you'll ever eat. And Troll was so hungry, his brain was slow, he let Middle Billy Goat trip-trap go. Troll heard more hooves, and to his surprise, there was Big Billy Goat before his eyes, aiming his head at the troll's big gut, and giving him one almighty butt. Troll flew through the trees like an aeroplane, and from that day was never seen again. And free from fear of that nasty beast, the 3 billy goats had a grassy feast, and the hills around them rang as the billy goats laughed and sang. I'm a troll, fol-de-roll, I'll eat you for my supper.